Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're signed in and ready. Start at the Zoom web portal because the desktop client won't show account-level controls. Click Settings, then Meeting, and scroll to Screen Sharing. Choose whether to change for the account, group, or just your user. This matters because account or group changes override local client choices. Once you've selected the scope, toggle the switch to access the screen sharing options and prepare to specify who can share during meetings. Now focus on the actual restriction. Under Screen Sharing, find Who Can Share, and select Host Only. You're doing this because limiting sharing prevents unintended content and interruptions. Make sure all participants is not selected, and double-check related toggles like allowing co-hosts to share. Enable co-host sharing only if you trust designated users. After making selections, click Save. Once saved, these settings apply immediately to schedule. Finish by verifying the restriction in the Zoom client. Start a quick test meeting and invite a participant to confirm they cannot share. If they still can, make sure there isn't a group or account-level override and that the participant isn't set as co-host. Sometimes client caches settings, have users sign out and back in, or restart the app to force a policy refresh. If problems persist, check the admin portal sitting changelogs to confirm your update saved correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.